fly away with me?
Hi guys, we're gonna check the garden. We're gonna check. Oh, that is good. No, this is not mine. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that. Hola, we have sushi zucchini too. Oh my god, we have, I can, in next day, I think, I can do take out, and we have that too. Our corn is big. And look and and look at that, the pichay guys, it's good, it's nice. And then the sibuyas, I think I will harvest that too. Look at that, look at the onions that I replaced from what I harvested last time. It's growing, see. And look what I see now. Oh, it's good. Look at that. A radish. Oh, radish. Oh, this is it. This is the first time I see. This is the unod bidat radish. Oh, this is the kuon. Look. I'm surprised. I did not come here for how many days, and now I see the fruit, the kuan, the vegetables. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm amazed with the vegetables. Oh, and then look at that, huh? Look at that, how it grows so big. Look at that. The big, it's really big. One, oh my god, how many days I did not go here. Oh, I'm amazed with the vegetables, but I cannot do more, I mean bigger, because here is flowers also here. Oh, very good. So now I see I will have sushi next day. So I think I will order food from the Chinese, no, Vietnam or no, Thai restaurant soon, because I am very hungry. Oh, nice, oh. Nice. My stress reliever. So we're gonna go to the Thai restaurant.
A few moments later.
oh, dress. Excellent. Let's eat, guys. This is my food from the Thai, but I ordered wrong, I think. Oh, see, very good.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. We just finished our dinner and my eyes is pain. Really, it's pain. It's hardly open it. I don't know. Maybe because I was a little bit crying this morning talking with the kids, and then I have, this is what happened all the time. This is happening all the time, guys. So I was eating chicken and fried rice, and so, and then I am watching now football, but my eyes is really pain. So I would like to say thank you my subscribers in my Patreon and OF, and then here my offside outside supporter. Thank you very much to my Bigo supporter. Thank you also. And this is really annoying. So thank you to my channel members, Backerstock, Mr. Colombia, good night, and we have 12, I think, or 13. Thank you very much. And yeah, time check is almost 10 p.m. but it's light, still light outside. I like this time like this, that it's long time become dark and it's warmer. So my eyes is, I think I need rest. So thank you everyone, and see you in my next vlog. Home is where our story begins.